Sports aren't just about athletics. They're stories, and the Super Bowl is the granddaddy of them all. This year, Patrick Mahomes and the Chiefs are looking to make history with a third Super Bowl win in a row. Meanwhile, Jalen Hurts, Saquon Barkley, and the Eagles are ready to run, looking for redemption after losing to the Chiefs 2 years ago. And that doesn't even count all of the drama around the commercials, the halftime show with Kendrick Lamar, and let's not forget all that Super Bowl food. But there is a good reason why nearly 84 million Americans are likely to tune in. Studies from the Journal of Consumer Research explain that we are hardwired to pay attention to stories with drama, and the Super Bowl has it all. It's got heroes, villains, stories of redemption, comebacks, and that's just the football game. If you want to know what this looks like in your real life, think about it in the form of a social media post, a speech, or a brand as a whole, and build the drama. Show us an obstacle, create some tension, and then show us how that gets solved. If you're ready to captivate like the Super Bowl, book a free story coaching session with us today, and we'll help you craft the winning narrative.